arranging in alphabet order, tenses. Very nice. One more topic is there. Beginning, I took this chapter actually for you. Vowels and consonants, isn't it or not? So today we are going to have a short recap on noun, singular plural, subject and predicate, vowels and consonants. Okay? Okay. Ma'am will show the worksheet. You are the one to answer me. Okay? Ma'am will not tell anything. You all know very well. I know that. Isn't it? Okay? Ma'am will read out the question alone. You are going to tell the answer. Okay? Let me see how many of you are going to answer to your chat. Yes. 1 minute. Once again. Yes. Now, can you find the answers on the above the blue line? Yes. Those are what? The words given. All are nouns. Okay. But you are going to pick the correct noun for the given sentence. Okay. Ma'am is going to read out the words. First, BROTHER, brother. Garden, GARDEN, garden. Sad, run. Piano, PIANO, piano. It's a musical instrument. Cat, CAT, cat. Chairs, CHAIRS, chairs. Green, GREEN, green. Pizza, PIZZA, pizza. Here, noun as well as verbs are also given. What are verbs? Verbs are action words, isn't it or not? You all know that. So, ma'am has given the both nouns and verb. You are going to pick only the noun. Okay, flowers. 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 Sarah. Sarah. Sarah is a name of a girl. SARAH. Sarah. Sarah is the name of a girl. Friend. Sat. 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 SIT. Sit. FAST. Fast. TABLE. Table. So, shall we start? Now, ma'am is going to read out. Yes. This is my dash. Can you tell the answer? This is my friend. Very good. This is my friend. Her name is
Ashwini ma'am, just a minute, ma'am.
Yes. Loshini, Ojasvi, can you put your video on mute?
Ashwini ma'am, can you share the screen, ma'am?
1 second. 1 second.
So children, you all know what is nouns, right? Nouns are the name of a person, place or thing. Okay? Yes, and now we are going to do some exercise related with noun. Okay, in the first exercise, you are going to pick the noun and write in the blank. And in the second exercise, what you are going to do is, you are going to circle the nouns alone. Okay? Yes, now we are going to work on with it. Ashwini ma'am, that grammar PPT.
Yes. Now, Is it
Ah,
clear?
yeah. Fine, fine, fine. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, children. Shall we all continue? This is my friend. This is my friend. Her name is Sarah. Very good. So many of you have answered. This is my friend. Her name is Sarah. I like to eat. I like to eat. What is the food item given? Yes, very good. Pizza. I like to eat pizza. My pet is a. My pet is a. You can see the picture and answer. Picture is already given. Cat. Very good. I play the. Already I said you there is a musical instrument, isn't it or not? What is that one? My pet is a cat. I play the piano. Kanchana ma'am, last word is hiding actually due to annotation. 1 minute. Let me scroll the screen.
Ma'am, actually you have given annotation, ma'am. You just cancel it.
Okay, 1 minute.
You click on that back arrow on the top of the screen, black one.
Okay, fine.
No.
Okay. 1 minute. Now it is okay. There are four. Can anyone tell the answer? Chairs. Why not table? Table is also there. Why not table? Some of you will answer table. Why? Because table is only one. Isn't it or not? It is given as table. So table is only one. Chairs. Whereas chairs are more than one. So what question is given actually? There are four. Yes. So they have asked you more than one. Isn't it or not? Four. So chairs. There are four chairs at our where? Can you find the place? Garden. Very good. There are four chairs at our garden. Okay. Now you all know what is a noun. What is a noun? Noun is the name of a place, animal, person, and thing. Isn't it or not? Yes. Now shall we move on to the next one? Okay. Now can you see the screen? Yes. Ma'am has given so many words. Isn't it or not? Yes. In that you have noun, verb, isn't it or not? From that you are going to pick only the noun. As ma'am told you already, what is a noun? Noun is a name of a person, place, animal, and thing. Okay? Yes. Happy. 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 Happy is a noun? No. Pillow. 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 Pillow is a noun? Pillow is a noun? Pillow is a noun. G-O-A-T. Goat. Goat is a animal. So it is also a noun. Isn't it or not? Make. M-A-K-E. Make. No. Very good. Boy. B-O-Y. Boy. Boy is a person. So, it's a noun. Desk. D-E-S-K. Desk is a thing. So, it is a noun. B-O-X. Box. Box is a thing. So, it is a noun. U-P. Up. Up is not a noun. Very good. Fast. F-A-S-T. Fast. Fast is not a noun. Lamp. L-A-M-P. Lamp. Lamp is a thing. Isn't it or not? So it is a noun. Kite is a noun. It's a thing. Isn't it or not? Song. No. Fast. No. Dance. No. Very good. Rug. R-U-G. Rug. Rug is a noun. It's a thing. Water. Water comes under uncountable noun. So it is a noun. A noun. Book. Book is a noun. It's a thing. Draw. No. Snow. Snow is also a thing. It is uncountable. Yes, Kanna? Yes? Hello? I can't hear you, Kanna. Hello?
Yes, ma'am. Pranav Kumar, you asked some doubt right here. What, What, ma? Pranav Kumar. You asked some doubt, no? Okay, ma'am.
Eat. Eat is not a noun. Slow. Slow is not a noun. Towel. Towel is a thing. So it is a noun. Now you all know the answer? Yes.
Meaning of rug.
Rug. You want to know the meaning of rug?
No, ma'am.
Yeah. Yes, rug is nothing but is a thick woolen covering. Okay. Okay, it's a thick woolen covering which you use while traveling, and also it is meant for a floor covering. Something that is thick. Okay, thick woolen material. Okay, dear?
Okay.
Yeah, thank you.
Yes. Yes. Next is sky. Monkey. M-O-N-K-E-Y. Monkey. Sky. Girl. And sun. Okay. Now you all know the answers. Ma'am will be circulating this worksheet and you are going to answer this. Okay. Next we are move on to the plural forms. Okay. Plural forms. You all know plural form. Singular, plural. Singular means only one. Plural, more than one. Isn't it or not? Boy, boys. Cat, cats. Like that, ma'am is going to give you a few words. Now you could find that the words that mostly end in SH, CH, SS and X words ma'am has given. Okay, in this worksheet. So if a word end with SH, CH, SS, X, what will you add to it? What will you add to it to make it as a plural? What you should add? Ma'am has told you so many rules, isn't it or not? When a word ends with CH, SH, S, S, X, what will you add? Very good. ES. What will you add to it? ES. Now this will be easier for you. Okay. Dish. dishes. Dish, dishes. Acha, ma'am, can you annotate?
Yes, ma'am. I will do it now.
Yes. Dish, dishes. D-I-S-H. You're going to add es. Okay, dishes. Dish, dishes. See the second one, fox. F-O-X, fox. So if a word ends with X, you're going to add es again. Foxes. F-O-X-E-S. Foxes. Peach. P-E-A-C-H. Peach. Peach. Peaches. Because the word ends with C-H. Peaches. All you have to do is you are going to add es to that word. Wish. Wishes. W-I-S-H-E-S. Wishes. Church. Again, the word ends with C-H. C-H-U-R-C-H. So you are going to add es. Churches. Box. Boxes. Very good. B-O-X-E-S. Boxes. Couch. Ends with C-H. C-O-U-C-H. So couches. C-O-U-C-H-E-S. Couches. Bus. B-U-S-E-S. Buses. Punch. P-U-N-C-H-E-S. Punches. Lunch. L-U-N-C-H-E-S. Lunches. Brush. S-H again. B-R-U-S-H. Ends with S-H. So you're going to add E-S. Brushes. B-R-U-S-H-E-S. Brushes. Pouch. P-O-U-C-H. Pouch. Pouches. P-O-U-C-H-E-S. Pouches. Push. B-U-S-H-E-S. Pushes. Brushes. Pouches. Bushes. Glass. G-L-A-S-S. Glass. What you're going to add? I told you now, ma'am told you now, if you have S-S, you're going to add E-S again. Glasses. G-L-A-S-S-E-S. Glasses. Now.
Ashwini ma'am, I will share ma'am. Yeah.
Wait for two more only. I will just finish.
Okay ma'am.
Crutches. C-R-U-T-C-H-E-S. Crutches. Boss. B-O-S-S-E-S. Boss. Bosses. Okay. Now with that you all know how to add E-S. Now over to Kanchana ma'am.
Yes. Ma'am, you stop sharing ma'am. I will share it ma'am.
Yes. Thank you.
Yes. Yes. So children, now you all know about noun. Yes or no? You all know about noun, and also what the other thing you all read? You know about plural form. Yes. Now you all know that plural form is not just by adding S. Okay. You know few rules to be followed for that. Yes, dear? Yes. So now the topic and the exercise which you are going to see is about subject and predicate. Okay, you all know, right? What is subject and predicate? Yes. So what is subject? Subject is what the sentence is about. Subject means what the sentence is about. All of you sit straight. Sit straight. Yes. One clap. Two clap. Yes, very good. Now all of you sit straight, dear. Yes. So what is subject? So subject tells us what the sentence is about. All of you repeat after ma'am now. Subject tells us what the sentence is about. Subject tells us what the sentence is about. Very good. So what is predicate? All of you say the word predicate. Predicate, all of you say? Predicate. Yes. Little bit louder. Predicate. Very good. Yes. So predicate tells us something about the subject. So what this predicate will do? It will say something about the subject. Yes? Yes. Now we will do on some exercises related with it. See, in the first thing, what we have to do is write the subject of each sentence. We are going to write the subject of each sentence. Okay? Yes. So, once again, all of you say what is subject? Subject is what the sentence is about, and predicate tells something about the subject. Okay? Yes. So, in the first thing, you all are going to write the subject. What is the first sentence? The children are happy. So, what is the first sentence? All of you read along with ma'am. The children are happy. First one. The children are happy. So, in this sentence, who is the subject? Which is the subject? What the sentence is talking about? About whom? The children. Very good. So what is the subject in this sentence? The children. What is the subject in this sentence? The children. The children is the subject. Yes. Now what is the second sentence? What is the second sentence? Salim is absent today. What is the second sentence? Salim is absent today. So what is the subject? What is the subject in the sentence? Salim. What is the subject in the sentence? Salim. Yes, what is the subject in the sentence? Salim. Yes. So what is the S-A-L-E-M? Salim. Okay, so Salim is nothing but is the name of a boy. Salim is nothing but it's the name of a boy. Yes. Now third one. The teacher punished Hamad. What is the third sentence? All of you read along with ma'am. The teacher punished Hamad. Say along with ma'am. The teacher punished Hamad. Okay, when you're reading the sentence aloud, then only it will be easy for you to identify the subject. Okay. So only ma'am is saying, repeat after ma'am. Third one, the teacher punished Hamad. So what is the subject here? What is the subject in the third sentence? The teacher. What is the subject in the third sentence? The teacher. What is the subject? The teacher. The sentence is talking about the teacher. Yes or no? Yes, don't get confused, ma'am, whether teacher is the subject or Hamad is the subject. Because teacher, the sentence is talking only about the teacher. Okay, it's saying that the meaning of the sentence is the teacher punished Hamad. So, the teacher is the subject. Okay, now fourth one, the dog is hungry. The dog is hungry. So, what is the sentence about? The sentence is talking about the dog. The sentence is talking about the dog. So what is the subject here? The dog. Okay. So what is the subject here? The dog. Very good. Now what is the fifth question? All the students are polite. What is the fifth question? All of you read. All the students are polite. Once again. All the students are polite. Very good. So, about whom the sentence is talking about? It's saying about all the students. Yes or no? So, the subject of this sentence is all the students. What is the subject of the sentence? All the students. So, all the students is the subject. Okay, children? Now, we are thorough about subject. Yes. Now we are going to move to predicate. What is predicate? Predicate tells us something about the subject. Predicate tells us something about the subject. Yes. So the first question in the predicate part is, our book is interesting. Our book is interesting. So which is the predicate here? Our book is the subject. Yes. So what is the predicate? Is interesting. Is interesting is the predicate. Yes or no? Yes. So what is the second question now? The car is broken. All of you read aloud. The car is broken. So the car is the subject here. So is broken is the predicate. Is broken is the predicate. Now third one. Dad bought for me a nice shirt. What is the third one? Dad bought for me a nice shirt. So dad is the subject here. Yes or no? So what is the predicate here? Bought for me a nice shirt is the predicate. Bought for me a nice shirt is the predicate. Yes, children? So this is about subject and predicate. So you all are thorough in this. What is subject and what is predicate? If yes, say yes, ma'am, loudly. Ma'am can hear you all. Yes? Yes, very good.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Kanna. Without unmuting, I want you to answer so that ma'am can hear everyone. Okay? Yes. Now, next we are going. All of you close your eyes now. I want everyone to close your eyes. You should not see the screen now. Close your eyes. Come on. Some children are still opening. Yes, I'm seeing you all. Did you all close your eyes? Yes, very good. Now tell me what are vowels. Tell me what are vowels. A, E, I, O, U. Very good. Yes, without yes, without unmuting, I want you all to answer. My good children will never unmute. Yes? Yes, Kanna, I can hear from you all. Even if you're not unmuting, I can hear from you all. So don't unmute. Yes. So A, E. Now all of you open your eyes. Open your eyes. Very good. So A, E, I, O, U. These 5 letters. Yes, Kanna. A, E, I, O, U. These 5 letters in English alphabet are called vowels. Okay. These 5 letters. A, E, I, O, U. These 5 letters in English alphabet are called vowel. Okay. You should never ever forget this. Yes. Now we are going to work on with a small exercise with that. Okay. What is it? Fill in with an appropriate vowel in the blanks given. So you're going to fill in with a appropriate vowel. Yes. Shall we start? The first one is D-G. So what will come in the dash? In the blank given in the middle, you are going to fill it with only with vowel. Have in mind. Only with this 5 letters. Yes, these 5 letters only you are going to fill. So, D.
Somebody calling you, ma'am.
G. D-O-G is dog. Yes. Now moving on to the second question. Yes, everyone now repeat the spelling D-O-G. All of you say D-O-G. D-O-G is dog. D-O-G is dog. Now what is the second question? Second question is C-T. So what will come in the blank? C-A-T. C-A-T, cat. Okay? All of you say aloud. C-A-T, cat. All of you say aloud. C-A-T. D-O-G is dog and C-A-T is cat. Now third one, H-T. See, this in this blank you can fill H-A-T hat. You also can fill H-O-T hot. You also can fill H-U-T, hut. And you also can fill H-I-T, hit. Very nice, isn't it? You can fill except E, you can fill any other vowel. Okay. Now, H-A-T, hat. What is the fourth one? B-T. B-A-T, bat. All of you say B-A-T, bat. So fifth one, F-S-H. Fifth one, what will come? F-S-H. F-I-S-H, fish. Okay. Now sixth one, R-N. So what will come there? R-I will come. R-I will come. R-U-N, run. Okay. R-U-N, run. And also you can write R-A-N, ran also. Okay. So R-U-N, run. So seventh one. What is it? C-L-C-K. What is it? C-L-O-C-K. C-L-O-C-K, it is clock. And also you can write C-L-I-C-K. I-C-K means what will come? Click will come, right? Yes, you can write C-L-O-C-K, clock. Okay. Now eighth one, H-P. What will come there? H-O-P, hop. H-O-P, hop. Yes. Now ninth one, R-T. What will come there? R-A-T, rat. What will come there? R-A-T, rat. So what is the 10th one? P-G. P-I-G, pig. P-I-G, pig. Yes, now hope you all are thorough with this exercise. You know what? Ma'am is going to circulate this exercise in your class group. You all are going to do it today without your parents' help. Okay, let us all surprise our parents by doing this exercise. Okay, your mommy and daddy should say, wow, without my help you done this. Yes, and parents, your mommy, daddy will give stars in your hand. Okay, I will say them. Those who finished it, mommy, daddy will give stars, smileys and all in your hand. Okay, yes. Now next exercise is, what is it? Next we are going to see about consonants. All of you say the word consonants. Say it aloud. Consonants. Consonants. Say it aloud. Consonants. Yes. So what is consonants? You should not say, ma'am, I know only vowels. I don't know what is consonant. No, consonants is very easy. Other than the vowels, you know, no vowels, A, E, I, O, U. Other than that, the remaining 21 letters in English alphabet are called consonants. Okay. Other than A, E, I, O, U, the remaining letters are called as consonants. Okay, dear. Yes. All of you say the word consonants. Yes, very good. So now the picture is given here and you're going to fill the blank with the appropriate consonant. Okay. You're going to fill the blank with an appropriate consonant. Okay. What is the first one? D dash O dash. What is it? D O G. Dog. What is it? D O G. Dog. All of you repeat. D O G. Dog. What is in the second picture? What is there in the second picture? Ant. A dash T A N T. Ant. A N T. Ant. So what is the third thing? What is it? Dash O D. P O D. Pod. What is it? P-O-D, pod. All of you repeat. P-O-D, pod. What is pod? What is pod, children? You know, right? What is pod? It's nothing but it's an elongated seed vessel. Okay. When mommy is buying during vegetables, no, she will buy peas. Okay. Next time when mommy is buying, she will show you. Okay. See, It will be a seed vessel inside which, see, can you all see the peas inside that ball thing? Can you all see in the picture? What color will be peas? Peas will be in green color. Yes or no? In pulao, vegetable, rice and all, mommy will put that. Yes or no? Yes, that is P-O-D, pot. What is it? What is the next one? F-A-N, fan. F-A-N, fan. Very good. Now what is in the next one? C-O-W, cow. What is that? C-O-W, cow. Once again, C-O-W, cow. So what is in the next picture? C-A-T, cat. What is that? C-A-T, cat. Yes. So, very good. You all learned what is vowels, consonants and nouns. Also, you know to work on with plural forms. Yes or no? Yes, very good, children. And one more thing, I saw all your paper bag crafts. It was excellent. It was very good. Okay, claps for you all. Claps for you all. Ma'am is clapping for you all. Can you hear? Yes, I saw everyone's paper craft. It was excellent. Okay. Very good, children. You all have so much of creativity. I can see in your things which you do. Very good. Yes, keep doing the good work. And also you should start using only paper bags. Don't ever use plastic covers. Okay, even if the shopkeeper is giving, you say no to plastics. Yes, very good, children. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Yeah. Thank you, children.